Culture has remained a veritable platform for deep expression of people, while the traditional institution revolves progressively around its adherents. It is also a means of expressing creativity, forging an individual identity, and enhancing and preserving a community's sense of place. It is in recognition of these and more that the people of EKEOBA ancient kingdom in Umuayanot local government area of Abia State, Nigeria, under the traditional rulership of His Royal Kingship, GIDI as Ambassador IHEANYICHUKWU NWOKENNA, OBA the Great, rolled out their ancient drums in pomp and pageantry to celebrate the 2022 OGWODOGWO Festival of the 18th progressive year on the throne of His Royal Kingship, GIDI OBA the Great. Like any other celebrations being marked by revered traditional rulers in the world, OGWODOGWO Festival has come to showcase the cultural heritage and blessings of EKEOBA and the land by OBA in commemoration of his years of reign on the throne. OBA in his remarks thanked the people of EKEOBA Kingdom for their show of love in the past 18 years of his reign and promised to keep identifying with programs and policies that will always contribute to the growth and development of EKEOBA Kingdom. The event, which had in attendance prominent traditional rulers from across the southern part of Nigeria and beyond, including political gladiators, featured conferment of chieftaincy title on deserving sons and daughters of the community, Nigeria at large. To God be the glory.